Hey guys, welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So we are doing a quick video, hopefully. This is another one of what am I reading, as well as some haul. So I have some journaling stuff and I have some craft stuff for sewing. So let's go into what I just finished. I did finish One Blood, and this one was for Dee Dee Brown Girl Reading for her summer read along, and I was hoping to join in the chat yesterday. However, my family's in town, so my mom's here, my niece here, and we were having a good time hanging out, eating seafood as usual. Every time somebody comes visit me, we seem to head over to the seafood place. So yeah, and I wore the pink top I finished, so I'll just put a picture here, you know, footage here. We were having a time. So this book is, I enjoyed it. I do feel like I wanted more at the end. I absolutely wanted more, but I do understand this book really surrounds parenting in terms of adoption, and the author is adopted, so there's that always not knowing certain things, always not knowing your heritage, your past, the people, your birth mother, that kind of deal. And in this story, there's just so many things in there that I just was like, I want to know. But overall, the writing is amazing. The storyline is absolutely great. It does follow 3 generations in this of women and their connection, and you get to really dive into this book. But there is a lot of trauma in this book, so I will talk about this book later. I will probably more so in my wrap up I will give it, but if you really want to know, go check out the live that they did. I have not watched it yet, but I just imagine how good it will be. Her lives are always good, so I was here for this. I did. Now the last book I'm working on is the miniature list, and this one is the group pick, not the group pick, what am I saying, the jar, the subscriber pick from the jar. So this is what I'm going to end the month on. It is chunky, but so far so good. I also got a new Kindle, which I absolutely did a little a shorts on, where I decorate the back and talk about what I'm reading. So I been devouring the Gray Huffington series, which is Heisenberg Effect. Yeah, and so they're following 3 siblings. We have Luca, Lyric, and Lake. And I've read Luca, loved it. I also read Lyric, Ken. And I'm currently finishing up, which I hope to finish up today, Lake. And that one is, yeah, I knew that brother was going to be a mess, and he absolutely is a mess in this one. But I love the series. It was not on my summer romance reading list. It was not. But Luca was just like constantly following me around, and I just wanted to get into it. So I'm excited that I got to read something different that out of nowhere. But this Kindle, the size, guys, the size. I literally put it in one of my small bags yesterday going to get my nails done, and I just was thinking, oh my god, this is just perfect sizing compared to the tablet I have, which is way bigger and heavier. This is so light. I did get this during one of the Prime sale that they were having, and it was a nice discount on it, so that's why I picked it up, and I am glad I did. It is serving me well and fueling my romance kick, because that's pretty much what I read on this. Is pretty much all the Kindle Unlimited romance that I paid with membership for. Yay. Alright, so let's talk about Journal Mood. So Journal Mood starts on August 1st. The calendar is ready. It is on my Instagram, or you can head over to my blog, that is comfycozyup.com, and the calendar is there. It is 31 words to cover 31 days, and you're going to use each word to motivate you to write in your journal daily, as well as add some music, add some whatever you want for the feel of it. But it's going to push you because you have a different word to focus on each day. Some word you might have to Google. Some words you might have to find interesting words to relate or to even think of that word. But nevertheless, the whole goal is to motivate you to journal for 31 days. So if you want to join in with other people who are doing it, head over to my Instagram, and in my stories every day you will see me adding people who are doing it and how they are using the words. They don't necessarily share what they write. Again, it is your private thoughts. But they may share like the collage that they did, some kind of art journaling, whatever. I typically would show art journaling, but you won't see what I write. And this is because at the end of the day, this is my personal thought and not necessarily open to share to everyone. So join me over there, guys. So for journaling, I picked up some stuff. I'm gonna put my tripod up so you can get like a closer look at some of the things that I picked up, and why I picked some of these things up. Again, the sale was calling me. So I wanted to add some new stuff. I love when especially during a journal mode time, because during a journal mode time I tend to do a lot of reels on Instagram every day, and sometimes I want to have different creative views on my page, visual, not view, but visual on my reels. So I like to just sometimes incorporate some new things that I don't have along with what I have. And I've been good this year where I haven't been purchasing a lot of crafty stuff. I've been using what I have, because I bought a lot of things last year and I feel like I need to get rid of a lot of those. So I tend to use them up a lot too in my journals. And this time around I picked up some stuff that I thought was going to be beautiful and also has some theme. And so we are, let's see, okay, all right, so we're gonna dig in. So I wanted to do a book, and it's so hard to find really nice books that has black faces on them, and oftentimes it's not what I wanted. But I saw this and I just love the theme. You know, it's given boss ladies, given work. And so I picked this up, and as you can see, look at this. It's about 20 pages of different things. Not everything is a face, but it has like the theme that, I mean, I just love the office situation, the desk. You guys know I just did a little redecoration of my sewing space as well as my desk space, and this is just giving me it in this. So if you are looking for a crafty stuff, I'll put this, especially this one, in my descriptions if you want to go to the link and pick this one up. But it's just like, I am so going to use the heck out of this. You will just definitely see a lot of this on the pages that I will be creating. I mean, you just can't beat this. So this was a very much a win for me. I also got some new tape, and these were definitely fun when I saw these. I thought, okay, this is going to be used. Now, maybe I should have opened one before. Oh, well, not that hard. And they're different. Sorry guys, I did some sewing, so my desk is a little dusty. But I love these. I just think they're going to be fun to play with. And of course, we have green. We have like a neutral color, purple, green, pink, and another shade of pink. So I like these. These are totally different. I don't have anything like this at all. I got some cafe. I miss going to coffee shop, guys. I absolutely miss it. So I wanted to get some. I think I'm missing one pack, which is probably not going to come till tomorrow, but I wasn't going to wait for that. But I like these. It just has the book theme with, you know, some coffee or latte on there. That's pretty much what these are. It's going to be so beautiful, especially with the other Boss Lady thing to add to some of the collage I plan on doing in August. I also am going to be doing my new book that I have to make for September because I only have one signature left in my journal. So here is I've never received one of these before in a packet. I like this. Oh, this was pretty cool. And I've never received one of these. I have some, of course, but I've never received one in a packet, and these are going to be really cool. So these are, some flowers. They're see-through, so they're going to just be transparent on any page. This is definitely giving me fall, so I'm going to use a lot of this when fall rolls up, this one. And this is why I really got the packet. I don't have any more butterfly in my collection, and so when I saw that there was a butterfly feature in this one, this is the main reason why I picked this up, because of the butterfly theme. These are the other ones that we have. Definitely going to use this. This is a good transition between summer and fall. Definitely this season, summer. Oh, I love these. These are nice. Oh, yeah. I am going to love all of this. And here goes some more butterfly, which I plan on using. So the main reason I got these guys were for the butterfly. And this was very inexpensive. And that's all I got for the journaling stuff. Now, my sewing. I have been doing a lot of sewing. I just finished a skirt for my mother last night. It's different. I combined two things. She wanted pockets for sure, so I had put some big pockets on the side of the skirt. I did do another jumpsuit, which was a polka dot one, and I think that's all I did as far as this week. I didn't sew as much this week. I've been really relaxing, and also I've loving the Nook now for sewing. I feel like I have so much room now, but I wanted to pick up some stuff that was going to be very helpful. So the first thing I picked up was I got this these pins, and I have a pack where it's only 8 was in the pin, and now I'm down to 5. I don't know where the other 3 went, but I got a bunch of these, and they were very much inexpensive, so you can't lose. And I used some, which is why you have thread on this already, yesterday, and I love that I have this big container to put it in, so hopefully I don't lose them like I've been using the other ones. And these are really nice, especially for a certain fabric that you just don't want to put a pin through. This is perfect for it. Or if you have a fabric that is in a section that maybe that you add in a belt loop or waistline and it's a little thick, I like this because it will keep it still and hold it really nice. So I'm glad I picked up these. I also pick up some foot, and these I've been practicing, and then I did use them on the pink top. I got the idea from the pink top because I have the very tiny version of these, and I love how it was able to do the pink top side, but I wanted to be able to do really nice hem neat, and you can see on here, so this is what the smaller one will look like, which is none of these. And then if I was, well, I did cut this up because I was practicing, but if you're doing like a big roll, you know, you have this one as an option. You also have the medium size one, and then you have the smaller. It is not that small compared to the one I currently have. This is at least this says 4/8 for the roll. I'm pretty sure the one I have is I don't even know. It's tiny, guys. It's very tiny. So so I got that. I'm hoping this camera is going to die soon, guys. But I also got these chalks, and I like these chalks, but I did not realize these chalks was so like you cannot press hard on them, it'll fall apart. The one I currently have is it doesn't do a good job, but I have to really press down on it. This was like lightly pressed, and it was giving me the chalk on the fabric, and so I was really happy about these. They are definitely tailored chalk. I also got the pens, and these are heat ones, where if you mark on your clothes with these and you iron over it, it will disappear. So I haven't tried it out yet, but it, you know, comes with all of these, and you know, so pen like this, I guess. So I haven't used it yet, so let's see what it looks like. Oh wow, it's strong. But again, it's supposed to where you put heat over it and it would just come out, so it won't stick to your clothes, and I like that. And then of course there is the pencils, which I was surprised how short these pencils were. But I don't know what the brush is supposed to do, but the pencils is pretty good too. And what is the brush is doing? I have no idea what the brush is for. Maybe it's this, but I like this as well. So I was very happy with this stuff, and that's it. It also came with a sharpener, so I like this. The packaging was good. So overall, I'm excited to see what I'm going to create for this month. Not just sewing, but also journaling, and hopefully you guys join in. I know a couple of you guys are not social media people, but you do the journal with me every month. Don't know about the Zoom chat yet, because summer tends to be a busy time for a lot of people, and a lot of people end up not being able to come to the Zoom chat. So I'm not sure if I will probably put up a poll at some point on a date and say how many people are able to make it, and that's going to determine whether or not I would do one for this month. It will definitely be one in November. November is the 5-year anniversary. So of course there's going to be a nice workshop including making journals. There's going to be a lot of stuff I want to do. I want to make it really, really big and special, because it's been 5 years of doing a journal mood. Happy about that. So I'm gonna end this video here. Hopefully you guys didn't hear the fan too much, because it's been hot and my battery is blinking at me, so I don't want to get cut off. But let me know, and if you've read this again, let me know, and head over to Dee Dee's channel and watch the live if you've read it. If not, I do think it's worth reading. It is very traumatic. It is family trauma that's continued, but there's that moment of breaking the cycle, and I love that about that. It's part of the story. I just wanted more. All right, guys. So I will see you guys in the next one, and thanks for watching. Booker prize, the Booker long list comes out this week, so I might do a quick reel on it, because there's 3 books I'm hoping to make the list. At least 2 of them made the list, you know, but you know how it always go for me. Most of the time there's books I've never heard of that end up on the list, so we'll see what is going to happen. I'm excited, and you know I'm going to be reading the list like I do for the last couple of years and share my thoughts. So see you in the next one, guys, and thanks for watching.